Hi, I'm Yashu, and today I'll be showing you around our student village accommodation in our Hawkshead campus in Hertfordshire. Here you'll find single ensuite bedrooms provided on a self-catering basis. There are 6 bedrooms per flat. For more details on prices, you can visit our website. Prices include bills such as heating, electricity, water, and Wi-Fi. Laundry facilities are within near reach and are really easy to use. It's all controlled by an app on your smartphone. This is our kitchen where we eat and hang out. It comes equipped with everything you could need: an oven, a hob, freezer, fridge, toaster, microwave, and a kettle, and lots of storage space. As you can see, the rooms here in New Student Village are nice and spacious. Every room comes equipped with a wardrobe, and the wardrobe has hanging rails and cupboards for clothes storage. The rooms here come with a single bed as a standard and also drawers for storage space. There is a desk area where you can do your revision, and it comes equipped with a desk chair as well. There is also storage space available for any books or other items that you might have. The whole accommodation has Wi-Fi access and internet access for your convenience, and this is true of all the bedrooms at Student Village. The bathroom comes equipped with a sink, a toilet, and a walk-in shower. You can rest assured that your safety is our top priority. Our on-campus halls have a 24/7 security team, on-site maintenance, accommodation staff, as well as student-resident coordinators. Parking permits are available upon request. However, parking spot on campus cannot be guaranteed. New Student Village is a great place to live because it's a stone's throw away from campus where your lectures and tutorials will be held, as well as being very close to the Queen Mother Animal Hospital. Visit our website for more details on how to apply, and we hope to see you on campus soon.